And welcome to Baby Goose's Kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how to make prawns chili fry, which is actually my mom's recipe, and it's super tasty, super good and super fast. So let's get started. On the ingredients for this recipe, you need about a pound of shrimp or prawns, whatever you call it, about half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and white wine vinegar. You need Kashmiri lal chili powder, or you can use a normal chili powder. If you're using your normal chili powder, then make sure you just use very little, and salt and pepper for seasoning. So let's get started. We add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, followed by about 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. If you have the normal chili powder, make sure that you add very less. Now Kashmiri chili powder just gives color. It's not very hot. So I really like this. And now we add the vinegar, half tablespoon. Salt and pepper to it. Adding all the ingredients to the prawns. Now we're going to mix it. Now for those, you could use gloves and mix it, or I just use my hands. And after mixing this really well, we're going to marinate this for about 10 minutes, because prawns really doesn't require much time for marination, unlike meat does. So I'll see you in 10 minutes in my frying pan. Now we are at the pan. I have some oil heating in my pan on high, and when the oil is really hot, so that's the time we put the prawns in. So I've already had it heating up. So now I add the prawns. I add all at once. Just stir that. And prawns really doesn't take any time to cook. Now I like to cook it with the pan covered. If you don't like to do that, you cannot do it. You can uncover it and stir it a bit. If water oozes out from the prawns, don't worry, it will all dry up. So don't get worried if you see water coming out by any chance. I'm going to cover it again. After 2 minutes, I have uncovered it. And I like to get the charcoal effect on the prawns. That's the reason I cover it. It cooks faster and there's less moisture. So I like my prawns getting a little charcoal color. After cooking the prawns uncovered for 5 minutes, it's all ready. You can see that it's got that, grill effect on it, which I absolutely love, and my husband loves this too. So I'm just going to turn off the stove, and I'm going to plate this over here. You can serve this with some nice warm rice. Ta-da! In just 6 minutes.
Cincinnati's already won. Here's another pitch to